This will be a small unboxing video of the surveillance camera from HIKVISION. As you can see here, this is the brand, and this is like the family for this camera, the series of this camera. This is the model C3W, the version 720p. There is another version 1080p. I have one of that model also. It's already mounted, so I can show you some sample videos of that. So let's go with the unboxing. So let's see. So let's see what's inside the box. This is the drill template. This is the manual. No one needs it. Let's see. Interesting stuff. So we have the camera, and we have a small box, and that's it. The screws. This is for concrete. If you want to use it, the surveillance camera with Ethernet cable, you need to connect it here to this RJ45, and I think this is to water seal the connection. The other one is simply for connecting it to the power line. The camera itself is made out of metal, so it's not plastic. Only the antennas are plastic. It is, I think, 360. So if you do like this, I don't know how to put it to camera, so, and then you can set it up like this, you know, and then you can so this is nice because after you mount it outside your house or inside the house, if you want to adjust the position, it's very easy to just do it using this. Then you have the two antennas for the Wi-Fi connection. This is very important. See here? This is very important because you use this to scan it with the mobile app, and then the mobile app will know how to connect to this on the local network, which is pretty nice. It's very easy to set up. Here, I don't know if you can see it. Yep, here you have two screws. Inside here you have a button to reset the camera, but I never needed to reset mine. It works smoothly. And you also have a slot for the micro SD. If you don't add the micro SD in here, you will just be able to see the live camera, but it will not record anywhere. I inserted 64 gigabytes micro SD, which is pretty cheap. It's like $10, and I have the camera mounted since 3 months ago, and I never needed to delete anything. It works pretty well. What else is in the box? Let's see. So, yep. Not much to say about this. This is the very first time when I connect this camera I want to show you how easy it is to set it up. So right now I will connect it. Okay, the red LEDs just started. The next step is to install on your Android or iOS device.
Please use EZVIZ app for device Wi-Fi configuration.
So you just heard the camera speaking. You see after it boot up, the LED is now blue. So what you need to do, you need to install the EZVIZ application from the market, iOS market or whatever it's called. You open it. This is how it looks. Now simply tap on the plus. It tells you to scan the QR code. So I will simply go like this. See? Okay. It recognized my device. I will select device is powered on. I will click next. It says power on the device, and wait until it starts up completely. And as far as you can see, the LED is blue. And now I will check this box and click next. Okay. Now I need to enter the password of my Wi-Fi router. See that after you enter the password of your Wi-Fi network, click next and say yes. So now what will happen, the surveillance camera will register into your internal network at home, and the app will be allowed to connect to it. So what's nice about this is that wherever you are, so you can be in another country, as long as you have internet access.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait.
Yeah. As long as you have internet
Wi-Fi connected.
Thank you. As long as you have internet.
Platform registration successful.
Oh my god. As long
Configuration complete. Welcome to EZVIZ.
I'm sorry for interrupting you, camera. Okay, so I was saying that as long as you have internet connection and your Wi-Fi router is on, you are able to connect from anywhere to the camera by simply tapping on your phone screen, and you're connected, and it's pretty easy. Basic settings: audio on, time zone, date format, view device. Nice. So I will make a separate video where I will present you the app and all its features. It's pretty easy to use, but for now you see that I will click on the freshly installed camera, and now I'm moving the camera throughout my desk, and yep, that's it. And when you will open the app, you will see the list of your installed cameras. You can name them. Pretty nice. That was all for today. If you're curious about how the app works, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I will post the second part soon. Yep. This is pretty nice, pretty small, it's discreet. What's very important about it, it's that you can use it indoor and outdoor. It has infrared LEDs, so it's very good in low light situations. It has two-way audio, which means you can hear what's happening in your area, and you can also talk. Storage is very cheap, so you can put 32, 64, 128 gigabytes to store the data, and it will be enough for, I don't know, a few months. And when the SD card will be full, it will start overwriting old content. Thanks for watching. This is the camera. I will make a more detailed presentation on the app and some video samples, and if you want to see it, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.